Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. First, I'm showing you guys packaging. It came in this box here, and inside of the box it came with a headband, a wig cap, and the wig. All the information about the wig will be in the description box below. But here I am just showing you guys what it looks like straight out of the pack. I'm showing you guys the inside, and I'm going to put it on the wig cap so you guys can see what it's looking like fresh out of the packaging. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the highlights. I'm using Pravana lightener and developer, and I'm just going to mix the developer with the lightener. I'm using the 20 volume developer and lightener at the bottom, and then I'm going to use the 30 at the top just so that they can lighten evenly. I'm starting at the bottom, so it's going to lighten, and then once I get to the top, I just kind of want to like make that process a little quicker. So that's why I'm using the 30 volume at the top. So I'm just weaving the hair in random sections and just applying the bleach to the bottom and then working my way up to the top. And then once I get to the top of the hair, I'm going to turn my brush vertically so that there aren't any like harsh lines. I'm just doing this all throughout the wig. And here I am just checking the foils and removing them. All right, now we're going to get into the install. This is what the wig looks like. I'm going to apply some foundation to the lace. And now I'm going to cut the lace from the bottom part of the wig because it's really not necessary. And I'm just applying the wig now. I'm going to start off by taking my wax stick and just flattening the hair so that I can see what I'm working with. So now I'm going to part the hair. I decided to go with the middle part for this hairstyle. So I'm going to take my wax again and hot comb and flatten that part. Then I'm going to go in and tweeze the part just a little bit, just to widen it up a smidgen. And just get this as perfect and straight as I can, because why not? Okay, now that I am done with the part, I'm just going to do a little bit of plucking around the hairline. This wig really didn't need too much of it, but I'm just going to do a little bit just for a more natural look. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the lace. I am cutting the lace in a zigzag motion, so it's more of a rigid cut or a rigid line opposed to a straight line across. It just helps it lay and look more natural. And now I'm going to part off the hair for the baby hairs and then cut my baby hairs. I tried to use scissors at first, but it didn't really work out, so I went and grabbed the razor and cut my baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm going to lay my baby hairs. I'm just basically trying to figure out how I want to lay my baby hairs. I usually do baby hairs on the sides and then the one swoop in the middle, kind of like my widow's peak. But this time I decided to just do the ones on the side. But basically I'm just playing around with the baby hairs, trying to figure out exactly how I want to style them. I'm using wrapping foam to shape these baby hairs. So I'm basically just playing around with it and trying to figure out what I want to do. Okay, so now that my baby hairs are laid, I'm just going to wrap my scarf around and set them. So now I'm working on the part again, just making sure everything is laying flat. And now I'm going to get into defining the curls. I just took a paddle brush, combed out any tangles, and I'm adding some water and a curl cream to the curls. And I'm just applying that all throughout the hair. And then I'm going to take a tangle teaser type of brush and just clump the curls together and scrunch them so that they are nice and juicy and defined. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just going to remove my scarf, and this part of the video I'm just going back and adding some finishing touches, making sure the closure is flat, it's laying, fixing my baby hairs, and basically just, you know, fixing my wig up, fluffing it up, and just making sure everything is laid. As you can see here, I'm cutting extra hairs from the baby hairs and just getting it all together really. So yeah, this is what my hair looked like after installing and styling. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, be sure to like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.